Hey YouTube, this is Hero Boy 55. Here I have my Katana 50 from NitroPlanes. This plane is a really good plane. I had it together in about a day. I'm not finished yet because I gotta hook up the elevator and I have to make them even so that one's down a little bit. When this one's about straight. So this is a good plane. I got it together in about a day. The engine was just fun to build. Fun to put the engine on. Here's the cowl. I still got to put the cowl together. What I really love about this plane is that it has the joiner tube, and it's like a giant gasoline plane, or it's a giant small plane is how I usually put it. Like, you know, guys at the field with giant, like, yaks and extras, they have the wings that just, like, slide on, and then they have, like, the pull and everything, and they have the cool cowl. Like, some people say, like, DA-100 right there, or Desert Aircraft, so I just put the Katana sticker on there. And another thing I'm doing is, instead of putting that yellow tray on right there, the yellow tray that goes right there, I'm just going to put the canopy on, and you can see inside it and it'll look all cool, and it'll be less the one thing get in the way, because that thing looks like a giant ice cube tray. I don't want to use that. So I'm just going to put the canopy on, and it'll look awesome. It has a traditional, like, style on the bottom. It's checkerboard. Then nice high quality wheel pants. I hate these tubes here, though. I mean not the tubes, the joints. Cause look, I didn't fly the plane yet, and it already came out. Along with the tube, I even epoxied this last night, and it came out. So it's got a good tray. No, it's got good covers for the aileron servos, so you don't get loose wind drag. The holes were pre-drilled with blind nuts in it for the landing gear. I got an OS 46AX engine on there. Everything is stock hardware. I have a JR 8-channel receiver in there. I use it with my JR like XP81 something radio. So anyway, it's a good plane. You may not like it on NitroPlanes like I did. I didn't like the look of it, but this plane is awesome. This is a Katana 50. As you can see on the wing there, Katana 50. But it takes a 46 engine. And as a 46, I would recommend an OS-AX. Because I got one on my P40 right there, and it flies great. And it was also on my my Ultra Sport right here. That's going out pretty soon. And my dad had one on his Colt 40 up there from US Air Corps. That flew great. And then I have an ASP on there, but I haven't fly that plane yet. So anyway, OS 46AX, the best one I could think of, and the best one I love to use. And it's just a pain in the ass to get the spring right here in the front. Instead, here, use 2 bolts right here. And then you have to put a spring right there, and I lost the spring in there. I have to get it out, I have to dig it out. And then it's all a pain in the ass to, like, join the springs on the 2 hooks. So what I recommend for that is that you take a control rod, you put it on the spring on one end of the wing, you turn the plane, like, on its side, and then you put the wing in, and then stick the control rod in and pull out the spring, and then connect it to the wing and put it together. It's a good plane. I'm glad I got it for Christmas. I'm gonna fly it soon, so stay tuned. Thanks. Hi, I got my Katana here. I'll be flying it because it's a little breezy, as you can see by the breeze. And we'll be breaking in the engine today. It's got an OS 46AX on it, you can see from the cowl. And let's get it started. Dad? What'd you do, Dad?
Turn that off. I'm not properly dressed.
Okay, if you say so.